Do you know you can start making money on TikTok by uploading videos on the TikTok platform? Yes, you heard me right. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create international TikTok account for free. TikTok is currently paying content creators who create and upload videos on their platform. A lot of people are using this opportunity to cash out. This is 2024. I bet you don't want to be uploading on TikTok without being paid. There are some countries that are eligible for this and there are countries that are not eligible. Let's say, for instance, you're a content creator that based here in Nigeria, just like me. Like, you are not eligible to make money on the TikTok platform. There are countries like, let's say, 5 to 6 countries that are eligible: US, Germany, Canada, Dubai, and some other countries. Like, if you stays in Africa country, just know that you are not eligible to make money. So only those who have international TikTok accounts are eligible to make money. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step on how to create international TikTok account. This is free, it is easy, it is not something you need to pay anybody to help you do. So for me, I created my account yesterday night. So before I dive into this video, let me introduce myself. Hi guys, my name is Promoted Sandra. I'm a content creator that based here in Nigeria. Here on my YouTube channel, I create videos related to lifestyle, vlogs, fashion, beauty, social media growth tips and tricks, and I also make videos on how to make money online. So if this is something you're interested in, before I yap you into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave your comment. This will help YouTube to push my video to more people who are interested in learning how to create international TikTok account. So to create this international TikTok account, there are 3 things you need. So the first thing you need is your smartphone. Okay, you need your phone, whether iPhone, iPad, Android, irrespective of the phone you're currently using, you need your phone to create this. The other thing you're going to be needing on your phone is your browser and also your TikTok app, because at the end of the day, you're going to be creating your new TikTok account on the browser and you're going to log in on your TikTok app. The third thing you're going to be needing is VPN. So go to your app right now and download VPN. I downloaded 2 VPN. One is Windscribe and the second one is Thunder. The Windscribe VPN, you need an email to log in, but the Thunder VPN, you don't need any email to log in. For me, the Thunder VPN is very easy. I would just advise you download the Thunder VPN, whether you're using iPhone or you're using Android. And there is a paid version of this VPN, which is like monthly subscription and yearly subscription. And there's also a free version of it. So for me, I use the free version of it. You can continue using the free version as long as you have it on your phone. These are the 2 VPN I downloaded, this Windscribe and Thunder. So when you click on the Windscribe, it's going to tell you to create an account, like sign up with your email. So go ahead and sign up for the Windscribe, because if you don't sign up, they are going to give you just 2 GB every day. But if you sign up, they are going to give you 10 GB free every day. So when you sign up, there is a paid version. So this is the paid version, as you can see. So you're going to see a place, like you're going to see an arrow like this. Click on it to like go back. When you go back, it's going to show you like this. Okay, this is on my Android, in case you're using Android. Then you can choose the country of your choice. Let's say you're using US. You're going to see US Central, US East, US West, Canada. You're going to see, just look for it. This one is Germany, so you can decide to click on Germany and click on flag fruit castle, any of the country that has that is available. So for me, I will just click on this US Central and click on Atlanta Mountain. Okay, when you click on it, if there is network, they're also going to, you just click on it. Once you click on it, then connect. Click on this round button. So once you connect, you're going to see a sign on your screen that your VPN is connected. Something like a key is going to show at the top of your phone. So this is for the Windscribe. So the other one I also wanted to use is this Thunder. So this Thunder is very easy to use. All you just need to do is click on Thunder. When you click on it, it will open. It's going to show you upgrade to VPN. Don't click on upgrade. Don't upgrade anything. Just go ahead and click on this like a multiplication sign on this round box like this, click to exit. Once you exit, it's going to say hi, we are ready. Tap the button below to start. Click on connect. Then you're going to see that mine just automatically selected a saver for me. So this is like the US, look at it, United States location, you can see. So I will take it back. This one is already connected. As you can see, the moment you just click on it, it's going to show you connected. It's not going to tell you to log in with your email and all that. And I don't even know how many MB they are giving to me at the end of the day. So you just click on to connect. Very easy. As you can see, mine is already connected. So if you want to disconnect, click on connected. It will show you disconnect, cancel. So that is it. Now, the three things I said you need is your mobile phone, your TikTok app, and your browser. Then lastly, your VPN, which I've already emphasized on. So once you are done with that, the next thing you're going to be doing is to go ahead and open your browser, whether you're using Google Chrome or Firefox, whatever browser you have on your phone. Just go ahead and search for tiktok.com. Look at it here, tiktok.com. I'll click on tiktok.com. It will open up like this. It's going to tell you to sign up or log in. Then you will click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it's going to open up like this. You're going to see use phone number or email. So don't use phone number. Click on it and swap to the side that says use email. So you're going to log in, like you're going to sign up with your email. That is all. Just sign up with your email, create your password. That is all. Go to your TikTok, open it. Once you open it, even if you already have an account before, no problem. So this is the one I just created. So if you already have an account before, all you just need to do is to click on this part here. If you check, you're going to see where your name is located, like Promoted Sandra Michael. This is my name. So I'll click on it like this. When you click on it, then they will tell you to add account. When you click on add account, you're going to see already have an account. You will click on that login. When you click on login, they are going to tell you to use phone number, email, or username. So that email you used on your browser is what you are going to use on your TikTok to log in. Once you enter your email, you will click on next or continue. So you're going to see either one of them on your phone. I will click on continue. When you click on continue, they will tell you to add your password. So you can go ahead and put your password. Once you put your password, you are good to go. You're going to see your new account. Once it's open up, you're going to see your platform is going to be like this. Like your space is going to be like this. Nothing, because you've not uploaded anything. You click on edit profile. You go ahead and do all the write-up you want to do on your profile. Whatever you want to write, go ahead and write it on it. Then you click on this 3 sign here. You see creator tools. So once you get there are things you must never post. There are things you must never do. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you the things you should never do so that you don't get deactivated or banned from using TikTok. You must not post the content you already have on your former TikTok account. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And if you're enjoying this video, you've not liked this video, please do it to like. And me too, that is telling you, I just created a new account and it is called Official Promoted Sandra. Please, once you are done, go to the comment section and also the description section. I'm going to be leaving the link there. That is the only thing you are giving to me as a prize. Go there and follow my new account. Okay, please follow my new account. So support me as I'm supporting you. One, you must not post the videos you already have on your former accounts before. They are going to detect it. Two, you must not post the content that belongs to other like creators if you want to earn money. Three, you must not switch to business accounts. If you are using business accounts, they are not going to pay you. So for me, when I finished creating my account, like I switched my account to business account, only for me to see a write-up beside the where you can earn money, and they said your business accounts are not eligible for blah, blah, blah. I was like, don't switch to business account. If you switch to business account, you not earn money. And make sure you don't also do it. If you do it, they will not pay you. Just make sure you are authentic, you are original, you are you. Just keep posting your content. If you want to see how you can earn money, once you are done logging in, first thing first, make sure you go to this, check this 3 dots at your right hand side, click on it. You're going to see creator tools. When you click on that creator tools, you're going to see monetization. So for me, I have creator marketplace, I have subscription, I have creativity program better, work with artists, creator academy, promote. So when you have this new account, you have access to promote videos, to promote your followers, views, comment, engagement, whatever you want to promote, you have access to promote it. And also you have access to be receiving payment for every video you put up there. If your show like the way mine show, just know that you are eligible to earn money from your videos. Okay, so you can upload videos that are longer than 1 minute if you want to earn more. So there are so many rewards. Okay, now for you to be eligible to earn money on TikTok, these are the things you must do. One, you must have at least 10,000 follower. So why you must have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 video views, 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Then the third one is be at least 80 years old. For now, this is what I have to deliver to you guys. If there's any other tip or things I want you guys to know, I'm going to be uploading it on my new TikTok account. Follow me on Instagram at official promoted Sandra, TikTok official promoted Sandra. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also share with your friends. If you have people on TikTok who wants to learn this, just copy my video and share with them. Just or tell them about my channel. Let them come to YouTube and search for Omoka Sandra to watch this video. Okay, so this is all I have for today. I hope this video was really helpful, and if it was, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching to this extent. I do really appreciate. God bless you all for watching. Stay tuned, stay blessed.